It's lightning and heavy raining again. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. You see that? Look at water right here. And it's still daytime, but it's so heavy rain. And you guys can tell really dark, lining over and over. Oh my gosh. But I love to have fun with my fish on the back. Every time raining, some of them coming out. And they love to play around. Let's check this out. Ooh, look at that. Over and oh, look at it. There you go somewhere. There you go. There you go. Where you go? Where you go? Come on. Oh, mama. Oh, look at that two right there. Oh, they start going and looking for a place to go. And this one, actually, they like cool. Hey, man, I'm okay over here. I don't want to go nowhere. Okay. Other two. Now, all three of them here. Ooh, I got beautiful koi here. See that? Oh my God. Start getting wet. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Don't you think that pretty one? How about this too? Oh shit. That one look real nice. Oh, this look not that bad at all. I think this, man, I wish I had a big tank inside. I bring this three inside and weigh them inside. Oh shit, how about the whoopee? Oh, too dark. It's hard to see the whoopee around. Anyway, too much fun. See that? See that? Oh, come on, say something. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. It's real dark, but it's still good with my iPhone 4K. That still captures real good picture here. I mean, real good video here. Man, I love this one. This looks so pretty. Look at that. Oh, baby. Okay, baby, time to go back in the pond. Come on. If you don't go back there, you're gonna die.